Supper, guys. This game is girls versus boys. One of the girl quit because of. I literally give them headache. Yeah! We are the king of rivals. Woman is bad, and boys, good. With my armor, I'm gonna kill them with only punch. Yeah, bro. Yes, he saved it. He saved me. He saved the team. Woman, Batman. Nasaan? Wait lang. Okay, one. No, we never. What do we call it? No, it's two snipers. Wow. Not gonna lie, boys are better. Why is woman so bad? Okay, that's it. Bye bye.